somebody of my neighbors fixing a car. I've just been cutting the lawn and taken part 2 all the way. So I'm breathing like a horse. Temperature today, well, 18.5, 19. It's okay temperature. So I am breathing today. But it's getting better. Some small things left. So hello from Skotterud, Costa del Skotterud today. It's only me, and it was a hard job. Almost an hour I have been running around with a grass cutter. Good exercise anyway. It's cloudy but warm. I did something here also, backside. So a lot of plums is gonna come here, and the working hummel. It's fantastic, beautiful to see. So that's all from me here in Skotterud today. Subscribe, it's free. Click like, it's also free. If you like what you see, or if you don't like what you see, go and cut the grass you too. So bye bye.